was appointed as a deputy principal in June 2018. In the absence of the principal, the time I was appointed as a deputy principal, the principal was retiring by that time. In the absence of the principal, appointed as an acting principal coming from PL1 rates. Then in terms of grade 12 results now, when I came to the school, in terms of grade results, the school was sitting at 34%. Hence, drop it down. Hence, teachers were demotivated. And the school was full of instability. The way it was, but that was we never lost hope, and we have to start from there, from first, and to see what we can do as a school. Okay, move on. These are the strategies that were started to improve the results. Sharing of different assessment approach as per grade examination guidelines. They were not just sharing, but whatever they shared, they were guided. They are guided by the examination guidance, because it's where with whatever we do, we don't look what the ATP is saying. We don't look what the exam guideline is saying, because even you set the paper must be according to the exam guidance. So must be according to ATPs. In other words, that's also what we share as educators. Whenever a teacher sets a question, is that question set according to the exam guideline? Is that meets the requirement of the ATP? So that whatever the question they said, it must make sure it is according to exam guideline and the ATPs. Training learners in different cognitive levels to ensure that their responses address cognitive verb on the question by allowing them to analyze the question and practice how to respond to a particular question. Even the learners, they are trained about how to address a question, whereby we take the previous question papers and we give them the previous question papers, not to respond on them, but to analyze. As this question says that, what is expected from you? How are you going to respond to this particular question? If the question say evaluate, then the learner is to analyze this. As they are saying it's evaluating, you are expected to respond addressing the cognitive level, because sometimes that the question is said evaluate and the learner leaves. It means that the learner is out of the point. And most of the time, that's how learners fail. It's just that they fail to address the cognitive verb. Then we train our learners on that. Then training learners on different cognitive levels to ensure their response address cognitive verb on question by allowing them to analyze the question and practice how to respond to that particular question as per exam guideline to make teaching and learning meaningful.